Hi, my name is Adam Munoz. I served in the United States Marine Corps as a corporal. My MOS was a 0612 Field Wireman. My dad took me to the Miramar Air Show when I was 12 years old, and we used to always go there and see all the planes. It used to always intrigue me. I graduated high school, and I started having this drive inside me that I should join the Marine Corps. Within 1 month of me going to the recruiter, I left. That's how bad I wanted to go. I served 5 years in the United States Marine Corps with all of my other fellow Marines as well, and the people that you just bond and you grow with. Here at Semper Solaris, I see people going out of their way and doing things. They go the extra mile for you. I applied for Semper Solaris, and Sean Hannaran knew that I applied. And he was telling me how great of a company it was compared to where I used to work. The camaraderie I have with Semper Solaris is very friendly and very open. When I first started, they really welcomed me in. I felt part of the team and part of the branch. I feel proud working at Semper Solaris because I feel that the customer wants the best quality work and solar panels installed on their roof, and we're here to provide that for them.